Of that chill is starting to retreat. One more cool morning, and then this afternoon we warm up into the mid-70s. We add some clouds in the forecast as well, as now the winds will be shifting from the north and east to the east-southeast, and that's going to usher in a little bit more moisture. We're talking less than a 20% chance of rain this evening. There's a little bit of color on the map. South and west side of town could see a few of those raindrops developing later on tonight. Really, the main focus of our forecast is going to be on what unfolds for Friday. We've got a storm system that's going to be drawing in a cold front. This warm front attached to this low pressure system is what's going to lift northward early Friday morning. The severe weather threat increases during the afternoon and the evening once we get some daytime heating, and you'll notice that all severe weather modes will be possible. We're talking about high winds, hail, maybe even a brief spin up, an isolated tornado. So there will be the possibility of some rotation in these thunderstorms. I think the morning starts off with some widely scattered showers, and then these showers will serve as these seeds that eventually blossom into some stronger thunderstorms. And if the cap is broken, that lid of stable moist air or stable warm air, then we're looking at some severe thunderstorms north of I-10. We could see an isolated strong thunderstorm developing along the coastline. But what happens here for the evening is that the leading edge of that front will allow for a squall line or a line of heavy rain and thunderstorms to form out here toward the hill country. The timing of this is as the sun is going down. So once the sun goes down, if this squall line remains intact, we could be dealing with some very strong gusty winds, some hail moving into the Houston area, Galveston stretching all the way up to the north and east, down closer to the coastline once the sun sets. And this could continue during the overnight hours. And then eventually by Saturday morning, all of that moisture moves out as that frontal system moves through. So on top of the severe weather threat, we will also be monitoring this threat for some street flooding. Not house flooding, but street flooding, no bayou or creek flooding. But some of our streets could be dealing with some high water spots. We're talking rainfall totals, most areas between a half an inch to an inch, but there will be some isolated amounts of over 2 inches. And of course, those will be the areas that we could be dealing with some high water spots and some ponding on the roads. The weekend is looking fantastic. As I showed you, all of this blows through early Saturday morning. So I think by Saturday morning, temperatures should start off in the upper 60s. We'll warm right around 84 degrees by Sunday. A clear start to the morning will allow temperatures to fall into the 50s, and then afternoon temperatures in the low 80s. Then it goes up from there. Temperatures in the morning and during the afternoon. We'll see increasing clouds by Tuesday and Wednesday. That next storm next week will move through sometime on Wednesday. All right, that's a look at your forecast.